pictures sa mga cellphone. So the game was called Show Me a GIF rather than Show Me a Picture because you are allowed to move but still in place. You can move but you should stay in your place. Okay, as you portray what I will ask you to do, the pupils that will be chosen as the 3 best portrayer during the 3 rounds of the game will receive their ribbons and will be commended for a good job. Okay, are you ready? Okay, everybody stand up. Okay, imagine that you are in the ocean. Show me a GIF. You are in the ocean. Who are the good swimmers here? Uy, may nalulunod na. You are in the ocean. Isulok na may aso. Okay. Done. Okay. Next. Show me a GIF. You are a tiger in the forest. Woo. Sige. You are a tiger. Okay, enough? Then the last one. You are a fish enjoying swimming. Who are the good fishes here? Up, up. Okay, enough? Okay, everybody sit down. Wow, you are all good GIF creators, but we will have our winners. Sino kaya? So, our winners are dan 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 dan. Danica. O, tayo, Danica. Sino pa? Simon and JR. Best GIF makers yan. May ribbon kayo. First, honor. Hawakan mo na lang eh. Simon, JR. Let's give them a fireworks clap. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Sabo. Okay. Now, let us think of the following situations here. Let us ponder. So, what if you are in the ocean or in the beach to swim and you see garbage and eat? Would you still enjoy swimming there? Mag-i-enjoy pa ba kayo? Nakita nyo marami ng garbages? Yes, Aliana. Okay, hindi na raw siya mag-i-enjoy kasi baka ma-infect si Aliana sa mga garbage. So, kung kayo ba, mag-i-enjoy pa ba kayo? Magsiswim pa ba kayo? Okay, let us proceed with the next one. Imagine that you are a tiger. Yung ginawa nyo kanina in the forest and suddenly you are losing hope because of deforestation. Do you think you can still survive without your home? Kunwari, kayo yung tigre kanina, tapos unti-unti na masisira yung inyong tahanan. Mag-e-enjoy pa ba? Mabubuhay pa kaya kayo? Yes, Casey? Oh, kabilis ah. No, because I cannot live without my home. Kayo ba? Kaya nyo bang mabuhay na wala ang inyong tahanan? Mahihirapan kayong mabuhay na wala ang inyong tahanan. So, next one. Imagine you are a fish enjoying swimming and there comes fishermen who use destructive fishing practices like dynamite and cyanide fishing, which causes coral reefs to collapse. What would you feel about it? Kunwari, isda kayo. Saya kayong lumalangoy-langoy nang bigla may mangingisda na naghagis na dinamita. Ano ang mararamdaman ninyo? Yes, Lexi. Oh, masasad daw siya kasi daw masisira yung kanyang tahanan. O kayo ba? Masasad din ba kayo pag nasira ang bahay ninyo? Kunwari, dumating yung bagyo, nasira yung bahay ninyo, ano mararamdaman nyo? Masasad. Ano ba yung sad sa Tagalog? Okay. Okay, now let me present to you the objectives of our new lesson. So at the end of the lesson, you are expected to, number 1, identify the ways to protect and conserve tropical rainforests, coral reefs, and mangrove swamps. Number 2, explain the effects of proper caring of the tropical rainforest, coral reefs, and mangrove swamps. And finally, number 3, share your insights on the importance of protecting and conserving tropical rainforests, coral reefs, and mangrove swamps. So, kailangan matutunan ninyo yan after ng ating lesson. So now, I have here the current environmental problems in the Philippines. I have here a video clippings I gathered from Facebook Reels. But before I show you that, let us first be reminded of the standards while viewing a video. So, do you still remember it? Number 1? Are you all seated properly? Okay, number 2? And finally, number 3? Oh, and be quiet. Are you all ready now? Okay. Current environmental problems in the Philippines.
Mga kalabs, tingnan nyo mga kalabs, ang baha mga kalabs, so ang lalim ng baha mga kalabs, tingnan nyo, lutang na lutang ang mga pasukan mga kalabs. So yan na nga po mga kalabs, kailangan disiplina talaga tayo. Yung bata o naglalangoy na pero ang dumi-dumi, hindi yan safe mga kalabs. Baka mamaya mapahamak yung bata mga kalabs, delikado yan mga kalabs. Tingnan nyo, tingnan nyo, di ba, lutang na lutang, o tingnan mo, ang malapit na po. destructions have a global impact through species extinction, the loss of important ecosystem services and resources. However, these destructions can be slowed, stopped, and in some cases, even reversed. We need to protect and conserve the Earth's resources. We need to give high value to our tropical rainforests, coral reefs, and mangrove. What do you think are the best ways we can do to protect and conserve rainforests, coral reefs, and mangrove swamps? So here are some ways to protect and conserve it. Number one is habitat restoration. Habitat restoration seek to repair areas that have been subjected to habitat destruction. Reforestation or planting a forest is the process of regenerating or planting forest areas that have been destroyed or damaged for the benefits of mankind. Mangrove rehabilitation is the regeneration of mangrove forest ecosystems in areas where they have been previously existed. Wildlife conservation, which includes protecting a sanctuary where animals live. Supporting projects of government and non-government organizations that protect tropical rainforests, coral reefs, and mangrove swamps, like biodiversity management, conservation international, Philippines, and seabird scientific. Joining organizations that conduct educational campaigns and give information on how to protect and conserve it. Being responsible for the development and restoration of Earth's resources, like the tropical rainforests, mangrove swamps, and coral reefs, are key for long-term benefits to mankind.
Okay, now, let us proceed with the discussion. Protection and conservation of ecosystem. So the ecosystem is an environment where both living and non-living things exist and interact with one another. Example of ecosystem is the tropical rainforest, coral reefs, and mangrove swamps. So you have learned last meeting that a tropical rainforest is simply an area where tall, mostly evergreen trees grow and with high amount of rainfall, right? Ba natutunan na natin yung nakaraan? Okay, also about coral reefs that they serve as habitat maayos. So, we need to protect and conserve the Earth's resources. Kailangan nating protektahan ang Earth's resources, yung mga pinagkukunan natin dito sa ating mundo. We need to give high value to our tropical rainforest, coral reefs, and mangrove. What do you think are the ways we can do to protect and conserve rainforests, coral reefs, and mangrove swamps? Ano-ano kaya yung mga pamamaraan na maaari natin gawin para maprotektahan ang ating ecosystem? So here are some ways to protect and conserve it. Number one, you may take down notes kung gusto ninyo. So number one is habitat restoration. What is habitat restoration? Habitat restoration seeks to repair areas that have been subjected to habitat destruction. Muling aayusin yung kanilang habitat. It is one of the primary factors involved in causing species of plants and animals to be threatened with extinction. Kasi nga, kapag wala ng tirahan, mawawala na rin sila. Kaya mahalaga na magkaroon tayo ng restoration ng kanilang mga tahanan. So, number two is reforestation or replanting a forest. So, reforestation is a process of regenerating or replanting forest areas that have been destroyed or damaged for the benefits of mankind. Yung mga namumutol ng puno sa ating mga kabundukan, kailangan daw natin muling taniman yun ng mga puno. Okay. Next, number three is mangrove rehabilitation. Mangrove restoration is the regeneration of mangrove forest ecosystem in areas where they have previously existed. Kunwari, wala na yung mangrove doon ngayon, pero noon may mga mangrove pa. Ano na nga sa Tagalog ang mangrove? Ha? Bakawan. Ayun. So, kunwari, dati may mga bakawan doon, pero ngayon wala na. Yung mga lugar na yun, maaari tayo doon mag-rehabilitate ng bakawan. Muli itong taniman ng mga bakawan. So, ano ba yung mga pagkain na nakukuha ninyo sa mga bakawan? Nakakita na kayo ng bakawan? Ayun, malapit kayo sa dagat. So, malaki ang pakinabang ninyo sa mga bakawan. Ano ba yung mga nakukuha natin sa bakawan? Ano ba bukod sa shell? Talaba, lukan. Okay, marami tayong makukuha ang mga resources. Ang tawag doon natin class sa mga pagkain na nakukuha doon ay mga mga resources yun. So, next is number 4, wildlife conservation, which includes protecting a sanctuary where animals live. Yung mga wildlife natin, yung mga mababangis na mga hayop, kailangan kino-conserve din natin sila. So, supporting projects of the government and non-government organizations that protect tropical rainforests, coral reefs, and mangrove swamps. Kailangan sumusuporta rin tayo sa proyekto ng ating gobyerno ng kung sino mga pribadong sektor na ang layunin ay protektahan ang ating ecosystem. Everybody sit properly? Shake your hands. Down. Okay, number 6, joining organizations that conduct educational campaigns and give information on how to protect and conserve it, like Biodiversity Management Bureau, Conservation International Philippines, and Seabird Scientific. So kayo ba, gusto nyo rin bang sumali sa mga ganitong grupo? So paglaki ninyo, mas malaki yung maitutulong ninyo. So ngayon, bilang mga bata pa lang kayo, meron na kagad kayo may share na tulong sa ating ecosystem. Katulad na lang ng hindi pagtapon ng kung saan. Okay. Being responsible to the development and restoration of Earth's resources, like the tropical rainforest, mangrove swamps, and coral reefs, are key for the long-term benefits to mankind. Kapag naging responsable tayo, mas magiging matagal yung pakinabang natin doon sa mga resources na yun or pinagkukunan. So, why is it important to take care of this environment? ng mga alon and provide a crucial source of income for millions of people. Marami ang pinoprovide ng income ng ating coral reefs. So, ayan. And then, ano naman ang pakinabang ng rainforest? Ba't natin kailangan pangalagaan? So, they are natural air filters. They store and filter excess carbon and other pollutants from the atmosphere and release oxygen through photosynthesis. Without rainforest, kung mawawala ang rainforest natin, our planet is unable to mitigate excess greenhouse gas emissions which destabilizes the Earth's climate. Kapag tuluyang nasira ang rainforest natin, lalong iinit ang ating mundo. Nakakaramdam ba kayo ng init? Okay, dati daw, sabi ng mga mas matatanda sa atin, hindi naman daw ganito
balikan mo. Kung hindi nakakatulong, huwag mo X ang ilagay mo. Naintindihan ma? Naintindihan mo, Alex?